Boa tarde. Good afternoon, everyone. We know that you are watching us on YouTube. Very welcome to the demo day of the 1408 batch of web development here in Rio de Janeiro. Very happy to be presenting this demo day, one more for me, but the first for them. So I'm gonna introduce you, for those who are watching us online, to our work, what we've been doing here, and most of all, what they have been doing here for the past 9 weeks. First, congratulations for you, demo day. We used to say here at the Wagon that learning how to code change your life, and it has been proved over the years. We have been blessed to receive the course report Best Coding Bootcamp grant. We have this year 3 courses to present. The one that interested you and us today is web dev. For those who want more information, please stay up. Le Wagon is also a global community. We're present on almost all continents in 45 cities. And the community of Le Wagon is our main strength. I would suggest that you follow us on all of our platforms to not miss any of our events and free workshops, to have a chance for yourself to enter the tech world. Now, let me introduce you to the 1408. This is their batch, and this is annoying me, so allow me to close this. Here they are, batch 1408. Cute, aren't they? Are you ready? I'm gonna give the mic to Matthew from Matchmate. Show me the code. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen so that Matthew can share his and present for us and for everyone their amazing platform. When you're ready, we are.
Okay, thanks, Chloe. Can you guys hear me? Okay, let's go. So, hi guys. My name's Matt, and I'd like to welcome you to this presentation on a new website called Matchmate. So basically, I'm a tourist here in Brazil, and my absolute most favorite thing to do here is to go to a football game. I think it's such a great experience, unique experience. The atmosphere is just incredible. And I would recommend to any tourist, even if you don't particularly like football, to go to a game for the experience. But it can often be difficult trying to get a ticket as a tourist for a number of reasons. For example, in Brazil, you often need a CPF to buy a ticket for the game, or you need to be a member. You might need to be a member of the team that you're going to see. Or if you don't speak Portuguese, then it could be difficult to translate the information that you need to find out about the game. So this is where Matchmate is a really, really great website, because it's a network for fans where tourists and local football fans can connect and join groups relative to a specific game, and then chat about the game, and the local fan can help the tourist out with the problems that I just spoke about, and then they can meet, have a drink, have some food, and enjoy the culture. So as you can see here, it kind of says what I just explained: chat, make friends, and plan match days together. And then it looks like, so yeah, they have some of today's games here. Flamengo vs Cuiabá. And then further down on the page is they've got the live league table with Palmeiras currently top of the league. And also there's some YouTube shorts. It looks like some YouTube shorts relative to Serie A. So it really looks like a good website for what I like to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up. So let's choose profile picture. fill in my details. Favorite team, Chelsea. Preferences, I think this is like relative to things you like to do on the game day, match day. Like if you like to go and have some food or have a beer together. So I think it's always nice. So hot in Brazil, it's nice to have a cold beer. So put that as my preferences. And sign up. So here we go. I'm signed up now. And so let's have a look at one of these games today and see if there's been any fans and chatting about the game. So let's go and look at Flamengo game. So we can see the location here, Maracanã, obviously, the address. And so there's two groups already. It looks like people have been discussing maybe going to the game together. And let's have a look at Andre's group. So the description, come and watch the greatest team in the world with me. So I think we know who he supports. So let's look inside the group. So yeah, it looks like there's 4 members on here: Andre, Nikolai, JK and Jade. And they've been discussing the game here. So it looks like Andre is the local fan and he has set up the group and said, hey guys, I'm a massive Flamengo fan. I know it can be annoying trying to buy a ticket for the game if you're a tourist. So let me know if I can help. And then we've got the user Nikolai here says, hey Andre, that's awesome. I'm having trouble because I don't have a CPF or member card. Can you get me a ticket and I'll give you the money? Andre says, of course, we'll meet at the stadium 2 hours before kickoff. Brilliant. And Nikolai says, the beers are on me, which is great. I think it's you should always buy your match mate a beer or a hot dog maybe. But to be honest, today's not really suitable for me to go to a game. So I'm gonna have a look at I'm going to São Paulo tomorrow. So let's have a look at the games tab here and see if we can find some more games. Right. So if I look for São Paulo and tomorrow, see what we've got. Oh, excellent. So Palmeiras are playing tomorrow at home. So let's have a look at this game and see if there's any groups. So no groups right now, but it looks like an awesome stadium. So let's I would like to go there. Let's create a group and see if anyone can help me out because I'm not really sure how to get a ticket. So new group, let's say Matt's group. And the description, please help me with advice how to get a ticket. So let me post a message in the chat and hope that someone gets back to me and helps me go to the game. Let me refresh, see if anyone else has joined. So someone's joined already. Jade, maybe they will help me. Oh, so there's someone else that's joined. Ends in 123. And what are you doing here? Okay, let's go to a better game. Jade says, "Get out, bro." Well, it's not really helpful, and it's a bit rude. So it's not. I hope there's some more friendly people in São Paulo than this. But you know what? I'm not sure I want to go to the game with these people. So I'm the owner of the group. So I'm gonna kick these guys out. And I'm not, after this experience, I'm not sure I want to go to this game. So I'm gonna leave and delete this group. But I am planning on going to Rio next weekend. So maybe there's a game I can catch next weekend. Let's have a look. So Rio next weekend. Let's see who's playing. Botafogo. Awesome. I would love to see them play. Let's view this game. It's at the Olympic Stadium as well. That'd be a great experience. So, and there's actually a group already open. So maybe I don't have to create a group and I can join this group. So yeah, there's already 2 members, Tico Glorioso and Jade. So I want to join here, and maybe these guys will be prepared to help me. Send a message. Ah, Tico Suarez. What's up, bro? Ah, awesome. It looks like Jade Corinthiana needs help as well. Tico Suarez says, I'll get the tickets and you can pay the beers. That's brilliant. So if he gets the tickets for me, then I don't have to worry about that. And I can give him the money for the tickets, and sure, the drinks will be on me. Oh. So that's awesome. That's really what I needed, just some help to get to the game. But I don't, to be honest, I don't know too much about this team, CAM, Minero. So I'm sure they're a very big team, but let's have a look on there's a teams page here. Maybe I can find some more information about them there. Let's have a look. So yeah, they're from Belo Horizonte. CAM, Atletico Minero, established in 1908. Wow, very historic. With a blend of experienced players and emerging talent, they aim for consistent excellence in Brasileiro. Wow. So that should be a really good game between Botafogo and Minero. And there's also a list of their games here. So maybe I could look to try and go to one of their games in future. So yeah, guys, I think you can see that this, if you want to go to a football game in Brazil, and I really recommend that you do, you should come onto Matchmate and start connecting with people. And yeah, thanks for listening.
Awesome. Thank you, Matt, for opening the ball. Now I hope the next group is ready to go. We're going to let them set up. I'm calling Code Labs. Is it you? All right. It's going to be Trip Co-Pilot. My bad. You super rocked, Matt. Congrats.
Thank you.
So we are waiting for the team of Trip Co-Pilots to set themselves up. Wow. Julia, when you're ready, you make a sign. Let's listen to Julia for Trip Co-Pilot. Trip Co-Pilot.
Hello, everyone. I'm Julia, and I am a former flight attendant and a web developer. And I have a problem, which is I usually struggle with finding nice places to go. And since I don't have any more free tickets from my airline, since I don't work anymore with as a flight attendant, I found this app that it builds the best route for me in 3 steps. Tell us where you are, define your budget, get a route that fits your budget. Well, I think the colors are very nice. I think it looks great. And let's see, there are also Marylines there as well. So let's check it out a little bit. Let's try to build a full route. So my departure place, I think I'm going to try from Rio. And let's put a budget of $3,000, which is not my budget, definitely, but I'm worked really hard. I have this money saved. And it gave me a flight from Galeão to Salvador and Salvador to Buenos Aires, which is really expensive. But let's see some details of it. Well, I would have to spend a lot of time in Salvador to go to Buenos Aires, but I like this flight to Buenos Aires because Buenos Aires is pretty close from my hometown. So I could go back home and I really miss my home. So maybe I could get this one, but let's check other things they have in their website. So I'm going to save this to my favorites. I might like it later. Let's see here what I have. I'm going to check this one here. I've saved some already to show you how this app is really nice and looks good. I love the pictures here, but I didn't like this flight, you know, it goes back and forth to Madrid a lot of times. So I didn't like this route. So I'm going to delete it from my favorites. And there was also, yes, this one, it goes to Palma de Mallorca, which I think it's an awesome place. And I remember that this flight is really cheap. It's like $25. So I think I'm going to save it for later. I think I'm going to leave it there. And I'm going back to my favorites and see what else I have here. Well, there was also something else in the main page. Here I can put a city and check the cheapest flight from this city. So I put Frankfurt here and let's see what I got. Oh, there is a flight to Athens for $62, which I love Greece. And I went there when I was so young, so I really wanted to go back alone. So I'm definitely buying this trip as well. And guys, this is Trip Copilot. I can send you the link if you want to, but it's a really nice app that searches for the best routes for you with the best prices. Thank you.
Congrats, Julia. Congrats, team. So now that I've teasing it that you were waiting for them, calling Code Labs. It needs to be, for now, I am the main. Okay, guys, are you ready?
Is the mic working?
Yes.
Is it working?
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Boa tarde. Welcome to Code Labs, the most convenient, supportive, and affordable online coding platform in the markets. CodeLabs is the first to offer a unique learning experience fueled by a 24/7 available AI chatbots. Nowadays, there are plenty of solutions in the market already to learn how to code. However, many of the bootcamps and courses are very expensive for the average person. And also, the available free online resources often leave you frustrated due to a lack of this. We built a subscription-based online coding platform where you can learn all common coding languages. Its integrated AI chatbot is powered by ChatGPT, and we made sure to feed it with an extensive coding database so that it can give you the most tailored and insightful advice for any kind of coding question. The best about it is that the more users ask, the better the model will become. Also, in case of any additional questions, we have all the time around our experienced teachers that can also reply any of your questions. But let's take a look through the eyes of our user, Joao and Fabio.
Hello guys, I'm João. I just discovered this new website from some friends from Wagon. So let's start it by seeing our courses. Okay, looks like they have many options in here. But as I want to study Python, so let's look for Python in the search bar. Yeah, oh, Python there. Oh, it's for beginners. That's me. Let's start it. Okay, they have some chapters that let's start studying. Oh, yeah, we need to subscribe, right? So first of all, actually, let's add to favorites because I want to study later. So I want to see now my favorite list to check it there. Yeah, I have my Python there. Let's go back to it to start studying. Oh, yeah, we need to subscribe, right? So I'm gonna go to my profile. Yeah, that's my profile. Yeah, unsubscribe it, we need to subscribe, but let's subscribe by monthly because it's our first time using it, so we need to try it first. Yeah, it's 15 reais. I think it's a good price. I'm gonna put my credit card in here, so please don't screenshot it. I don't have that much money for you guys as well. So yeah, subscribe. I hope I have the enough money on my bank account. Let's see. Okay, all good. So now I'm subscribed until next month. All right. So let's go back to the favorites and to start studying. Go back to Python. And now I'm going to introduce Fabio, which is the one that is going to study for you guys today.
Okay, now that everything is set up, let's start studying. Let me see these Python variables so I can see what they have. Okay, they have their own contents, great. Let me go to the previous chapter so I can start from the beginning. Okay, this introduction to Python, great. I can learn Python in 1 hour. Okay, they have this course. Let me just shrink this sidebar so I can focus. Oh, and yeah, I'm gonna see that later. Let me try this AI assistant they have because I thought it was very interesting. So let me ask them, why should I what makes Python so useful? Okay. Yeah, that's great. But sometimes I rather talk to a teacher. So let me try to talk to a teacher to see if there's anyone online at that time. So let me ask how can I make a function on Python? So let me see what they answer me and if there's someone online by now. Let's hope for an answer. And okay, let's wait a little more. Oh, that was super fast. Okay, I feel so confident about learning Python by now. I might change my subscription because I want to study for the whole summer and for the next year because I saw that was better to the price was better. So let me change it to a yearly subscription. So let me try to change it. Okay, so I can update the plan and then I'm gonna change to yearly and pay the rest of the price. So yeah, let me see if I have the money. Okay, yeah, that's great. So I feel so ready to start studying with Go Labs. That is a great website. You should definitely try it if you want to start learning code. And okay, guys, you should definitely check it out.
Thank you guys for watching my presentation. I hope you guys like it. You can check our websites and please follow us on Instagram. Thank you.
Yay!
Stop sharing, stop sharing. Muta, muta, muta primeiro, muta primeiro.
Yay! So, guys, I hope that you already add up Code Labs on Insta. I've heard that they have quite their little fame. I'm hearing myself twice. So I'm calling now the girls of Journey 60.
Good night, everyone. Thank you all for being here tonight. So we are Journey 60, and I'm going to present you some really nice project we did, thinking about all the people that are ending their boot camps, and they realized how difficult it is to organize all the tasks and having so much new knowledge. And everybody that works with tech knows that coding can make you stay seated and immerse yourself in your project for so many hours that you probably will forget to take care of yourself. So thinking about that and about our community, we created Journey 60. So Journey 60 is a tool designed to transform your post-bootcamp experience and empower you for a successful career in tech. We have some nice features. You guys are gonna have lots of notifications for not to forget any tasks as long as your day goes. You have a lot of challenges, which is gonna be your tasks for the day. I'm gonna show you a little bit. You can also check out some information about us. And so let's do it. So here, the first step you can take in our app is your career path. So what do you wish to work on throughout this journey? You can choose either front-end development, back-end development, data science, data analysis. In my case, I'm just finishing Wagon's full stack bootcamp. So in my case, it's going to be front end and back end also. So yeah. So let's check out. Let's get started. So yeah, here you guys can see all the journeys. So it's gonna be 60 journeys for 60 days. You're gonna have all these cards. All of them has lots of challenges, all your tasks based in mental health, subjects like I'm gonna show you some tasks in here. I've already completed some, as you can see. So in here, you can take time to pamper yourself with a self-care activity. This is think about a mental health activity. We also have some working out time. We have some break time for you not to forget to have a little time for yourself, not code for some while. It's always important to take a break. And also some general subjects for you to know and improve your LinkedIn, for example. And every time you're gonna be there's gonna be one task about your career path that you choose before, like I showed you. So, and through your day, you're gonna check all your tasks, and I hope you guys check them all. So I'm gonna show you if you check them all. And then you're gonna have some reward. So let's check what's today's reward. Okay, so I have cabelinho na régua. Let's see what that is.
So yeah, embrace the power of a fresh hairstyle to boost your confidence and showcase your unique personality to look like a real Korea. Yeah, I think I really need a new hairstyle. So yeah, I really like the reward. So this reward we made is thinking about time for you to relax, do something for you to relax and a little bit. It can be a lot of activities, and each day you're gonna have a new reward if you complete all the challenges. And here you're gonna see all your rewards. Here you can check them out. Yes, you can check them out in here. So you also can check out your profile. You can change some. So I have my career here, my pictures, and so our app is available in all platforms. So please follow us on our Instagram, and in here you can chat all the community. And so if you're finishing a bootcamp, it's time to join us and get along with all your tasks. So thank you very much for your attention. That's it.
Yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. This concludes the bootcamp of 1408. Congratulations to our teachers. Without who you would not be there. So for the public, I hope that you loved it. We definitely loved it. We're so proud of what they could build up in such a small time. Let's remind that they've built this in just 2 weeks at the end of a bootcamp of 9 weeks, where at the beginning they didn't know much of it. So congrats, you rock. Now I invite all of our public on YouTube to follow the rest of the programmation of the day. It's going to be on YouTube still. And now we're going to welcome the student of São Paulo for their own demo day while we go celebrate. Don't forget to follow us everywhere. For Hinryu, I'm going to call it a day. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. And see you around. Ciao. It's done.